Welcome to my channel. Hello guys. Today we are going to do quiz of GK. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Are you ready?
Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? A. Elephant. B. Lion. C. Tiger. D. Bear. Answer is lion. What do pandas mainly eat? A. Fish. B. Bamboo. C. Meat. D. Insects. Answer is bamboo. Which animal is the largest mammal? A. Elephant. B. Blue whale. C. Giraffe. D. Shark. Answer is blue whale. Which bird is known for its colorful feathers and ability to talk? A. Eagle. B. Penguin. C. Parrot. D. Sparrow. Answer is parrot. You are correct. Which animal has a trunk? A. Rhino. B. Elephant. C. Hippo. D. Giraffe. Answer is elephant. Which is the fastest land animal? A. Lion. B. Tiger. C. Cheetah. D. Leopard. Answer is cheetah. What do you call a baby kangaroo? A. Cub. B. Calf. C. Pup. D. Joey. Answer is joey. Which of these animals can change color to blend in with its surroundings? A. Zebra. B. Chameleon. C. Lion. D. Elephant. Answer is chameleon. You are correct. Which bird cannot fly? A. Eagle. B. Penguin. C. Parrot. D. Crow. Answer is penguin. Which animal is known for building dams? A. Otter. B. Beaver. C. Squirrel. D. Rabbit. Answer is beaver. Which sea creature has 8 legs? A. Crab. B. Starfish. C. Octopus. D. Dolphin. Answer is octopus. You are correct. Which animal is famous for its long neck? A. Zebra. B. Giraffe. C. Elephant. D. Rhino. Answer is giraffe. What do you call a group of lions? A. Pack. B. Flock. C. Herd. D. Pride. Answer is pride. Which animal can live both on land and in water? A. Dolphin. B. Frog. C. Crocodile. D. Penguin. Answer is frog. Which of the following animals is a marsupial? A. Elephant. B. Kangaroo. C. Lion. D. Horse. Answer is kangaroo. Great. Which animal has stripes on its body? A. Elephant. B. Zebra. C. Giraffe. D. Camel. Answer is zebra. What is the fastest bird in the world? A. Sparrow. B. Eagle. C. Falcon. D. Owl. Answer is falcon. Which animal is known to have a long memory? A. Lion. B. Elephant. C. Whale. D. Rabbit. Answer is elephant. What is a baby cow called? A. Puppy. B. Lamb. C. Calf. D. Foal. Answer is calf. Which animal sleeps upside down? A. lion. B, bat. C, snake. D, frog. Answer is bat. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.